Redroad 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop with auto self-empty. Includes base station, instruction manual and quick start guide. Robot vacuum. Mop pads. Cleaning brush. Side sweeping brushes. Dust collector. The Redroad 2-in-1 robot combines a powerful vacuum with wet mopping for a complete clean from start to finish. Whether your mess is dry or wet, the R10 doubles up on cleaning tasks with one machine. With 3 levels of water control, it easily handles different floor surfaces. The XL capacity dust bag and auto collection reduces the need for frequent emptying. 2-in-1 design. You can easily choose to only sweep, only mop, or use both at the same time. Wet mopping. The 350 ml large tank allows for mopping floors up to 2,150 square feet on a single tank. LDS LiDAR Navigation. Advanced algorithms and navigation technology ensure efficient coverage and shorter cleaning times. Smart obstacle crossing. Set restricted zones and virtual walls in areas that need protection to prevent the robot from entering. Automatic dust collection. The robot vacuum auto empties into the large 4-liter dust bag, providing up to 90 days of hands-free cleaning. Wi-Fi enabled. Can be controlled remotely via a mobile app, allowing users to control the device from anywhere. 4 levels of suction adjustment. 4,000 PA of super strong suction power helps effectively vacuum dirt, dust, and debris. The Redroad R10 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop comes with a 1-year limited warranty and is now available online and in-store. Check the Redroad official brand site for more details.